Today we talk about how can you enable app sounds on your Pinterest app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on account management. Sorry, you click here on account management here. It's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here app sounds. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, this means app sounds enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.